Hi, welcome to the Holly Springs High School dance program. My name is Laura Stutterman, and I have been the dance director at Holly Springs High since the school first opened in 2006. I earned my undergraduate degree in dance from the University of the Arts in Philadelphia and my master's degree in dance education from Teachers College, Columbia University. Holly Springs High has a large, spacious studio for all of the dance classes. All students begin with the Modern 1 level placed in either fall or spring semester. From there, they can advance into the intermediate and the honors levels. Our seniors have the opportunity to apply for the Senior Symposium Independent Study course. The curriculum at all levels follows the strands of the North Carolina Essential Standards for Dance. Students create and perform, learn various movement skills, and respond and connect. All students receive the dance program handbook. It can be found inside their Canvas shell, under Pages, as well as through online links that can be emailed to families upon request. A copy is also found off of our main website. Students also receive a full calendar for the entire semester that highlights their assignments, when they're due, the major performances. All of these calendars can be found inside their Canvas shells as well as online. All courses for the HSHS dance program have been moving to Canvas this year. Canvas is an online platform where students receive and can submit all of their written assignments. You see here a screenshot of what a student would see. They have access to announcements, the syllabus, as well as the modules for learning, which I'll show briefly. On the other side column, they have reminders of their due dates for important things to look at and submit. The modules are the organized unit of study with all of the assignments and due dates located underneath. The dance program electives are a physical exploratory class. Therefore, it is the expectation that all students who register have a willingness to participate in the daily activities and creative process. For Modern 1 and 2, each quarter is averaged at 40%. The final exam, which is a combination of both physical and intellectual demonstration, is averaged in at 20. For each quarter, there are category weights. For the Modern 1 and 2 level, dress is 5% and their portfolio is 5%. Their written work, performance projects, and skill and written examinations are all averaged at 30. So the honors level also have each quarter averaged at 40 with the final exam at 20. These courses also have a 5% dress category and 5% portfolio. Written work is averaged at 30%. The performance projects in the honors courses, however, are only at 10%, and the skill and written tests remain at 30%. Unique to the honors level, however, is that each student must complete a solo, a typed critique, and 2 research projects. 2 of these are typically done in the first quarter, and 2 will be done in the second quarter. They all average in at 20% for each quarter grade. For the symposium course, the final grade is calculated in the same way, with each quarter averaged at 40% and their final exam weighed in at 20%. As the symposium course is primarily a class in the art of choreography, their choreographic studies are worth 30%. Students keep an extensive portfolio that includes all of their readings and writings, as well as research and choreographic notes, and that's presented at 20%. This portfolio also includes their digital website in which they post all of their own videos. They also have dress at 5%. They also have written work at 15%, research at 10%, and weekly reading assignments at 20%. Participation in after-school activities with the program is purely optional, although strongly encouraged. Students have the opportunity to audition for placement in our dance repertory company. They do this the spring prior to the next school year. Once students are accepted, they are then considered for casting into additional ensembles for our Nutcracker, into our musical ensembles in the spring, as well as our honors night and symposium concerts. They also have the opportunity to perform at the basketball games. The symposium concert is the senior leadership performance. It is the opportunity for the senior symposium students to set their own work on our advanced dancers and company members. This concert happens usually in the end of April, beginning of May, every spring. Dates can be found on our website. Honors Night is a collection of work created by the advanced class as well as the dance repertory company. It includes solos and small group routines. Any student wishing to progress beyond the Modern 1 level needs to attend our placement audition. These auditions are typically held in March, and information can be found on our website. The audition is not only for placement in the program, but for students who wish to be considered for the dance repertory company as well. Students have the opportunity to become members of the National Honor Society for Dance Arts. They earn 30 points towards their induction through their meritorious work in class as well as after-school activity. Our dance program boosters relies heavily on parental support and involvement. If you're interested in getting involved or learning more on how you can help, please contact us. There's many ways that parents can stay informed with things that are happening in the HSHS dance program. Follow us on Twitter as well as on Facebook. You can visit our school website, which is found off of the school's main website, and make sure that your email is accurate with us so that I can send out updates from time to time. Also, the best way is to join our Remind 101 system in which you receive text updates directly to your phone. Thanks for listening. It's going to be a great semester.